Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Mini Cooper? This is the 2016 Mini Cooper. Stock number is T as in Tom, 20446A. Let's take you on a virtual video walk around and show you the exterior of this Mini Cooper as well as the interior. As we make our way around, you're going to see there's no scratches, no dents, no dings. Super duper low miles. Sunset Ford is the home of warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. For more information on that, check out our website, or we look forward to answering those questions for you whenever you come down. Take notice of the interior, absolutely impeccable. At the moonroof, absolutely super clean. This Mini will not last long. For more information on this Mini or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down, find out what everybody's talking about. It's the Sunset Experience. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.